Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to learn cross-docking shipments, and cross-dock is some place where the factory's send is good and instantly it is outbounded to the retailers or its customers. For example, in this picture you can see the different manufacturers or a single manufacturer with different goods sent to the cross-docking center. Here they sort out the goods and send to the retailers. So good thing about cross-docking center is that no inventory is kept here. The goods, whenever it comes, is sorted and then shipped outwards. And by doing so, it can save time and money, which ultimately increases the supply chain surpluses. So for today's cross-docking problem, we have a company that has two factories in Pabna and Gazipur, yeah, and two cross-docking centers in Dhaka and Chittagong. So these factories send goods to this cross-docking center, and this cross-docking center then send or ship goods to three different markets: Dhaka, Chittagong, and Kunla. Each market has its own demand. For example, Dhaka has 450 units of demand, Chittagong has 350, and Kunla has 300. And Pabna factory and Gazipur factory has a capacity of 800 and 700 respectively. And we have given conditions that all the demand must be met, no goods remains in the cross dock for sure, and shipment with low cost possible. That's our objective. And supply must not exceed the capacity of factories. To model this problem, we just uh, copy the table here. Then what you do, like we try to find out the total cost. For total cost calculation, we use sum product function. In sum product function, we selected the cost, comma, the total shipment. This will give us the total sum product or total cost. Okay, then we calculate the shipment from Pabna to Gazipur to different cross docks. Here we use some formula and selected the shipment from Pabna to different cross docks. Likewise, we did the same for Gazipur. Then we did add up the shipment from Dhaka to different markets and from Chittagong cross dock to different markets. We also calculated the demand portion, how much demand has been met. So for Dhaka, we calculated the shipment from Dhaka and Chittagong cross docks to Dhaka market. Likewise, we did the same for the Chittagong market and Kunla market. Okay, then also we calculate the net flow, that is shipment from different factories to different cross docks. So we add up this Dhaka cross dock shipment from different factories, also cross dock shipment from different factories to Chittagong cross dock. Okay, next, what you do need a trick, because as cross docks as a center where you don't keep any inventory, just inbound and outbound or net flow. So whatever net flow we'll have, it will be same to the shipment of the market. So the total shipment of the market will be equal to the cross docks shipment. So for that, what we did, we do a trick called transpose. So for transpose, what you need to do, you select the cell, then you write equal to transpose, then select the cell you need to transpose, close the bracket, then you have to enter Control Shift Enter. Then what it will do, it will just copy the cell in a column wise to row wise to column wise, and we have to fix that this shipment from cross docks to market will be equal to the net flow from the factory to the cross dock center. So we are done with modeling thing. Now we will click on solver to solve the problem. So for our objective is to ship at the minimum cost. The total shipment cost will be the minimum. So we'll check this some product area. It is D23 and it must be minimum. If it were profit, then we can choose maximum. Next, by changing sales variable here, we're going to select first from factory to crossdock area. Then we'll put a comma, then crossdock to market area. Okay, then we need to add the constraints. For constraints, but the first constraint is no demand remain unmet. So the demand area is here. It will be equal to here the demand constraints. We just copy it here. Click on add. Next, your supply will be less than your capacity. Where we get the capacity, we can just copy the capacity here. The capacity. Is J, so it will be H. Okay, then another thing here, the shipment of total shipment in the markets must be equal to the total shipment to crossdocks. So that's end our constraints. Adding, then we put non-negative value and it will be simple like LP model. So we'll click on solve and we rightfully capture a solution. See, whatever net flow we have 650 units. This have been shipped to different crossdocks, and from these crossdocks the market also got the shipment of 650 and 450 units. So from Pabna factory we'll ship in Dhaka crossdock 650 units and 150 units in Chittagong. From Gazipur we'll ship 300 units to Chittagong crossdocks. From Chittagong crossdock we'll send 450 units to Dhaka market, and from Dhaka market, Dhaka crossdock to Chittagong and Khulla market 350 and 300 units respectively. And we can see none of the demand is unmet, 450, 350 and 300, and this ultimately lead to a cost of 9,550 taka. So this is how we find the how much shipment we made from each factory to each crossdock, and from those crossdock to different markets or retail centers. Next video we'll do on the warehouse. Thank you.